Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play word search. This classic puzzle game is a fantastic way to sharpen your mind and expand your vocabulary. The premise is wonderfully simple. You are given a grid filled with letters and a list of words. Your mission is to locate every single word from that list hidden within the jumbled letters of the grid. It's a straightforward and engaging challenge for everyone. To start finding words, pick one from your list and look for its first letter in the grid. Remember, words can be hidden in many ways: forwards, backwards, up, down, and all four diagonal directions. That's a total of 8 possible orientations. When you spot a word, draw a line through it on the grid and then mark it off your word list. This helps you keep track of your progress. For a more advanced approach, try focusing on the more distinctive letters within a word, or even short letter combinations. Sometimes, scanning for a double L or a QU can be more effective than just the first letter. Also, consider using a highlighter instead of a pen to mark your found words. This makes them stand out clearly without obscuring the surrounding letters, which can be helpful for finding overlapping words. Word search puzzles offer more than just fun. They are excellent for mental exercise. Regular play can significantly enhance your vocabulary, improve your pattern recognition, and sharpen your overall observation skills. The more you play, the quicker you'll become at spotting those elusive words. So, grab a puzzle, relax, and enjoy the rewarding experience of finding every single hidden word. It's a truly satisfying pastime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.